Hello everyone, I'm Harshini and Raj, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. I'm currently in 7th SEM in the Department of Information Science and Engineering. And in today's video, we'll be speaking about the characteristics, components of Windows. The topics which I'll be covering in today's video is a brief introduction to the topic, then the characteristics and the components. Window. What is a window? A window is an area of the screen defined by the border that contains a particular view of some area of the computer or some portion of a personal dialogue with the computer. As shown in this diagram, a window can have a server, a dial-up, a printer, and a control panel. Next, we have the characteristics of windows. A name or title allowing it to be identified, a size and height and width which can vary, a state accessibility or active or not accessible. Only active window can have the contents altered. Visibility, the portion that can be seen, that is, a window may be partially or fully hidden behind another window, or the information within a window may extend beyond the window's display area. Then it can have a location relative to the display boundary. Presentation, that is its arrangement in relation to other windows. It may be tilted, overlapping, or cascading. Management capabilities, methods for manipulation of the window on the screen. Its highlight, that is the part that is selected, the function, task, or application to which it is dedicated. Next, we have a components of window. The components of windows are frame, title bar icon, menu bar, status bar, scroll bars, split box, and size grip. The first component is the frame or the border. It is the boundary to define the shape. It is sizable, contains control points for resizing. Next, we have the title bar. It's the name of the object being viewed in the window, control point for moving window. Next, we have the title bar icon, which is a small version of the icon for object being viewed. Access point for commands that apply to the object. Title bar button. They are the shortcuts to specific commands. Next, we have the close. Minimize or maximize or restoring is used. Close is used. What's this? Display context sensitive help about any object displayed on window. Next, we have the menu bar. It provides the basic and common application commands. Next, we have the status bar, which is an area used to display status information about what is displayed in the window. Scroll bar is a standard control to support scrolling. Then size grip, control to resize window located at a high side of the status bar. Frame. A window will have a frame or border, usually rectangular in shape, to define its boundaries and distinguish its other from windows. Also, textual material, which are usually read from left to right, fit most efficiently within this structure. The border comprises a line of variable thickness and color. This variation can be used as an aid in identifying the type of window being displayed. If a window is resizable, it may contain control points for sizing it. If the window cannot be resized, the border coincides with the edge of the window. Title bar. The title bar is the top edge of the window inside its border and extending its entire width. This title bar is also referred to by some platforms as caption bar, or title area. The title bar contains a descriptive title identifying the purpose or content of the window. In Microsoft Windows, the title bar may also process at the extreme left and right ends control buttons for retrieving the system menu and performing window resizing. The title bar are included on all primary and secondary windows. Title bar icon located at the left corner of the title bar in a primary window. This button is used in Windows to retrieve a pull down menu or of commands that apply to the object in the window. Next, we have Microsoft suggests that if the window contains a tool or utility, a small version of the application's icon should be placed there instead. If the application creates, loads, and saves document or data files, and the window represents the view of one of its files, a small version of the icon that represents its document or data file type should be placed there. Even if the user has not yet saved the file, display the data file icon rather than the application icon, and again display the data file icon after the user saves the file. Next, the menu bar. A menu bar is used to organize, provide, and access to actions. It is located horizontally at the top of the window just below the title bar. A menu bar contains a list of topics or items that when selected are displayed or pull down menu beneath the choice. In the past, some platforms have called the menu bar as action bar also. The contents of the menu bar and its pull downs are determined by the application's functionality and the context in which the user is interacting with it. Next, we have the status bar. Information of use to the user can be displayed in the designated screen area or areas. They may be located at the top of the screen in some platforms called as status area or at the screen bottom. Microsoft recommends the bottom location and refers to this area as a status bar. It is also referred to by other platforms as a message area or a message bar. Scroll bar. When all display information cannot be presented in a window, the additional information must be found and made visible. A scroll bar is an elongated rectangular container consisting of scroll areas or shaft, a slider box or elevator, and arrows or anchors at each end. For vertical scrolling, the scrolling bar is positioned at the far right side of the work area, extending its entire length. Horizontal scrolling is accomplished through a scroll bar located at the bottom of the work area. A wide window can be split in. Next, we have the split box. The wide window can be split into two or more pieces or panels by manipulating a split box located above a vertical scroll bar to the left of a horizontal scroll bar. Split box is sometimes referred to as a split bar. A window can be split into two or more separate viewing areas that are called panes. Splitting a window permits multiple views of an object. A split window enables the user to, first one, examine two parts of the document at the same time, display different yet simultaneous views of the same information, and also to support the splitting of a window that is not pre-split by design, including a split box. Next, we have the size grip. A size grip is a Microsoft window special handle included in a window to permit it to be resized. Three angled parallel lines in the lower right corner of the window designate the size grip. If the window possesses a status bar, the grip is positioned at the bar's right end. Otherwise, it is located at the bottom of a vertical scroll bar. Now, let's recap what we have studied in today's video. First, we have studied the components of the window along with the characteristics of window. What is window? Next, we are in the components of window. We have mainly studied the frame, title bar icon, menu bar, status bar, scroll bar, split box, and size grip. As we can see in this table, the frame or the border is only for the is not included for the primary secondary dialog box, while the title bar is not included for primary secondary dialog box. And further, the detail of this is included in this table. And we studied each of these components in detail, like the title bar, then menu bar, then status bar, scroll bar, then size grip. That's all in today's video. Thank you.